guys, welcome back. Last week we mastered high-click YouTube titles. Today we are tackling the second piece of the puzzle, the YouTube video description. A well-optimized description tells the algorithm exactly what your video is about and help you rank higher. Let's look at why it matters and break down the ultimate formula. The debate to use or not to use. Some creators think the description box is dead, but leaving it blank is a massive missed opportunity. Let's look at the pros and the cons. The positive of using description: better SEO and discovery. It feeds the algorithm deep context, helping you rank in search results and show up in suggested videos. Views action zone. It gives you a dedicated space to drive traffic to your other videos, playlists, products, or subscribe links. Long-term views optimize. Description keep working for you for years down the line through search traffic. The negative of leaving blank or doing it wrong. 1. Algorithm blindness. If your video has no description, YouTube relies solely on your title and visual clues. This makes it harder to find your target audience early on. 2. The keyboard stuffing tab. On the flip side, if you just paste a wall of random keyword instead of writing natural sentences, YouTube can flag it as spam, harming your reach. The core formula. To get all the positive without the risk, break your description into 3 main sections. 1. The hook. First 2 lines. This is what shows up in search results. Put your main tag keywords here and describe the video naturally. 2. The deep dive. Valuable paragraph. Write 3 to 4 sentences expanding on your topics and second keywords naturally for real human readers. The action zone link and resources. Place your call to action here. Link to your playlist, social media, subscriptions, links, or tool. Pro tips for success. Use chapters. If your video is long and timestamps, it improves viewers' experience and helps you show up in Google search segments. Add 3 hashtags. Place them at the very top. YouTube will display them above your title. Keep a template. Save your standard links and upload default in YouTube Studio to save time on every upload. Skipping your description leaves views on the table, while taking 5 minutes to optimize it gives your video a massive competitive edge. Implement this formula on your next upload. Check out the pinned comment and share your thoughts. See you in the next video.